Well, folks, I got an amazing product to show you today. A cocktail smoker kit. Look at this. This particular kit, now here's the smoker. Now, I'm going to demo this, but it comes with all these natural wood chips. We got oak, pear, cherry, hickory, beech, shrub, apple, and pecan. I think that's got about every type of wood there is. Now, this smoker, fully rechargeable, no batteries required. Comes with a Type-C charger. Simply place it right there, charges up. Now, to operate, here is what we do. We'll open this up. And it does come with a little screen to be placed in here. It'll work without it. I'm going to place some oak in here. And it comes with this great little spoon. So it does not take much. So I'll just put a little bit right in there. I really like that taste of oak with bourbon. So then next, I'm just going to put this on the top. Long press. Now this is going to be placed right over your glass here. And then I'm going to do a long press to turn the unit on. And there'll be a little blue light. Now, all I'm going to do is hit that button again and we are going to start getting smoke. Look at that. That is amazing. Hit that again, shuts it off. Now, look at that. You got yourself a smoked bourbon oak, nonetheless. Look at that. And the smell, oh, it's fantastic. So, folks, this is a product that I would highly recommend to any whiskey or bourbon drinker. Really is easy to use, as you can see.